So what is the nature of liquidation damages received by a company from the supplier of a plant for failure to supply machinery to the company within the stipulated time is a capital receipt or revenue receipt. So they received money for what? Liquidated damage for what? Failure to supply the machinery. So machinery is what? Capital asset. So the subsidy received for for compensation received for supply of machinery, capital receipt or no, it's a capital receipt. So Saurashtra Cement Ltd, Supreme Court. The damages were directly and intimately linked with the procedure of capital asset or the cement plant, which is led to delay in coming into existence of a profit-making apparatus. It was not a receipt of the course of profit earning process. Therefore, the amount received by the assessee towards a compensation for sterilization of a profit earning source. It is not the ordinary course of business, hence it is a capital receipt in the hands of assessee. Very good. So it's a capital receipt. So you always have it in clear. If you receive anything regarding a receipt, that is either it be capital or revenue. You're doing a sale doing sale of goods. Sale of goods is your business. On the sale of goods, you made the sale, client made the delayed payment. For the delayed payments, you are charging some interest. That is a capital receipt or revenue receipt. Revenue receipt. But when you are purchasing a machinery, that is not the course of the business to use that machinery to get the revenue. So the course of the business is to use the machinery, not to sell the machinery. It's not a business. So in this case, the receipt is an capital receipt rather than a revenue receipt.